Hello YouTubers, this is Chris, and I'd like to introduce you to one of the finest dump picks that I think I have come across in a long time. The kid and I, we picked this up at the transfer station. It is a 7 horsepower Ariens snowblower. Judging by the information I can glean off the serial numbers, it's a 1971. It actually says here the 309th day of 1971. The engine was built. That makes it November 5th. The chassis information, from what I can also interpret from the actual snow thrower attachment and the main tractor unit, puts it around 1971 or 72. And I need not really eschew the virtues of these fine old machines. It's a 7 horsepower Tecumseh, and I can't say it didn't have its problems when we picked it up. One of the first things I had to notice, it wasn't necessarily seized, but the connecting rod was shattered, and this is what I'd pulled out of there. And you can see it's broken into many pieces. You can see where the piston had banged into the connecting rod at one point, probably its final second before it self-destructed. Here's just a further picture of the unit, and you can see, they're aluminum. It was the metal was fused to the crankshaft at the journal here, but a little muriatic acid took that right off, nice and clean. That's definitely my thumb there. And yeah, I kind of did this on Mrs. H's granite kitchen top, but she doesn't need to know that. She doesn't watch these videos anyways. And then, anyways, we took the top off, lapped the valves. The piston was reusable, so I need not really worry about that. And put it all back together, and you can see it has some snow on it. It did work. It worked quite nicely. And one of the finer features of this machine was that it actually had a functioning electric start. Can't even really call it that scary and old and dangerous. It has all the for its time, everything works on it. Even has the carburetor cover to keep the snow out and keep it warm. When I was in graduate school, these made nice little shelves to put your beer on while you're working on them. Clearing snow to put myself through school. Sure. Anyways, you don't really need to do much in the way of priming it with the electric start. We'll just choke it, give it some throttle, make sure nothing's going to get caught here, and it should start right up. And then we'll go push a little snow.
My God. It's like the ice planet Hoth out here from the what was it? The Empire Strikes Back. Ugh. I don't even know if I want to deal with this. Well, you know what? We're going to go in. I'm going to put this right here. Start her back up. Do this. Not bad. For a $12 connecting rod off of Amazon, I think it's a fine piece to add to my collection. Alright, everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Cheers and goodwill.